Hey Sonic fans, want to score a cool Sonic themed avatar decoration for your Discord profile? I'm going to show you how to get it in just a few steps. Let's make it quick, like Sonic speed. Ready? Ready? Go. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile app and make sure you're logged in. Head to the Discover tab or look for Quest Home in your sidebar. Sometimes limited time quests pop up here, like one for the Sonic decoration. If there's a Sonic quest, it'll say something like watch a Sonic trailer or play a Sonic game for 15 minutes. See a Sonic quest? Awesome. Click accept quest. It'll tell you exactly what to do. Usually something simple like watching a short Sonic video or streaming a Sonic game with a friend watching. Now follow the quest instructions. For example, if it's watching a Sonic trailer, just play the video in Discord. If it's gaming, launch a Sonic game, stream it, and have a friend join for a few minutes. Pro tip, make sure Discord detects the game or video. Once you're done, head back to the Quest tab and hit Claim Reward. Boom, your Sonic avatar decoration, like a shadow or Sonic icon, should now be in your profile settings under Avatar Decorations. To use it, go to User Settings, click Profiles, then Change Decoration. Select your shiny new Sonic decoration and save changes. Now your avatar's got the speedy vibe. No Sonic quest showing up? Check Discord's Quest FAQ or the Sonic community server for updates. These decorations are often limited time, so act fast when you see one. And that's it guys, you're now rocking a Sonic decoration really fast. Faster than Eggman's escape plan. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know your favorite Sonic character in the comments. Gotta go now. See ya.